Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So in this video I'll try to compare the MI11X versus the OnePlus 8T friends. So by using the video editing tool application, and I'll try to export the 1080 video into 4K video. So let's see friends how much time this rendering process will be taken in the both phones which are having the different Snapdragon processor. So definitely friends, both phones are really having very good powerful Snapdragon processor. The Snapdragon 870 which is present in the MI11X device, which has a 128GB and 8GB RAM variant in this phone, and whereas the OnePlus 8T also has the same 8GB and 128GB specifications, but the Snapdragon 865, so slightly less than the Snapdragon 870. But let's see friends, in this kind of video editing application, which phone will be able to export and render faster. So and the application which I'm trying to use right now is the KineMaster, and make sure to subscribe to my channel friends for more details, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the MI11X as well. So let's see friends how much time the both phones gonna take. And first is that I'll try to export the 1080 video into the 4K video. So let's see how much time both phones will be taking. So right now, as you can see friends, right now I did load the same video in both phones using the KineMaster, as you can see. So let's see friends which phone will be able to export the video much faster. So let me try to go to the settings. So overall you can see the size and the resolution, everything is kind of same. So 8088 MB on the OnePlus 8T, and top phone is the MI11X device which has a 8088 MB only. So same bitrate I'm trying to use. So let's see friends, if I'm trying to use everything same, and even the 4K resolution and 30 FPS, 4K 30 FPS, as you can see. So let me try to click at same time, and let's see which phone will actually take how much time. Sorry friends, I did not click it faster. So I think right now I did click the both phones faster. So it is a OnePlus 8T and it is the MI11X device. Right now, as you can see, both phones are kind of going in same way, same direction, as you can see friends. The same results are coming right now. I think MI11X is slightly finishing the test much faster. You can see the MI11X score is slightly right now it reached to the 50%, and the OnePlus 8T is still doing it 40%. I think the MI11X is the MI11X device friends, as you can see here, which has a Snapdragon 870 chipset, which is doing kind of really good in terms of the exporting of this video. So which is from the 1080 to the 4K I'm trying to export friends. So from 1080 resolution to the 4K resolution, you can see the distance and the gap as well, how much it is. So right now MI11X is going to finish the test faster. As you can see friends, MI11X finished the test faster than the OnePlus 8T successfully, as you can see here. So still the OnePlus 8T is still going on. So is the OnePlus 8T, the Snapdragon 865 processor. So still going on friends, as you can see here. So definitely it took a lot of time than the MI11X device in terms of the exporting 4K video into 30 FPS. So another thing I forgot to mention, I did not do any kind of calibration before running this kind of test, as you can see friends. So there is a message which will be displaying before opening the app itself. So these are the run analysis now. So let me try to click at same time. So both phones are running the analysis test right now. So let's see friends how much time this both phones gonna take on analyzing this kind of KineMaster as well. So right now both phones are analyzing with the hardware performance levels. So once this has been completed, I will try to do again. So we'll get to know the results. So this is a OnePlus 8T device which has the case, and which doesn't have the case is a MI11X device. So this is how you can differentiate between the both phones. So very soon I'll be getting the new cases for my MI11X device, so I can review on that particular topic as well. So right now, as you can see friends, both phones are kind of doing same kind of performance test, so hardware test. So once this hardware analysis has been completed, I'll try to run the same video again. So let's see whether this will make any difference or not. As you can see friends, right now the test has been successfully completed in both phones, and you can see here all the results as well. So performance 39.6 megapixels, 39.6, everything is kind of same to each other friends, so nothing much difference. So let me try to go back. So right now I'm trying to click the same video again, exporting, as you can see. So same video I'm trying to do second time friends. So let's see whether this time the performance results will be changed or not when you're trying to do. And OnePlus 8T and MI11X device. So don't get confused friends. So let me try to click at same time. So same time I clicked. The same time I clicked in both phones. So OnePlus 8T, here is the OnePlus 8T and here is the Mi 11X. So even after calibrating properly the hardware, still the Mi 11X is slightly faster than the OnePlus 8T. So that is what I noticed after calibrating as well. As you can see, the speeds between both are getting kind of very close to each other this time. So you can compare the speeds, friends, as you can see. Not much far away. But definitely the Mi 11X is slightly faster than the OnePlus 8T in terms of exporting 4K 30 image, 4K at the 30 FPS. As you can see, I think the Mi 11X will finish the test faster than the OnePlus 8T. You can clearly see the difference, friends, here. So next I'll try to export the 1080 to the 1080 only. So let's see what will be the results of that one as well. So in case if you are interested to know the results. So finally the OnePlus also finished the test as well. So let me need to go back and select the video, sorry. So this time I'll try to export the 4K into 1080. So let's see, friends, what will happen. So I'm trying to select the same video which I have created before. So same video which I did. So same video I'm trying to select right now. Let me go to the export, share. As you can see right now, so I'm trying to export the same 4K file into the 1080 using the 30 FPS, as you can see, friends. So let's see which phone will be able to finish faster. So same time I clicked OnePlus 8T, Mi 11X. So OnePlus 8T and Mi 11X, as you can see, friends. Let's see which phone will be completing this kind of test faster. So I think both phones are doing kind of same to each other. So till now, I think both are kind of equally going on, as you can see, friends. So that's a huge difference. So if you're rendering or if you are exporting to the 1080 resolution, that doesn't make much difference. But if you're exporting it to the 4K resolution, so only then it will make a lot of difference in terms of the processor. So right now you can see clearly, so both are running at same speed, same time. So same, exactly kind of equal. So let's see, friends, last option. As you can see, so this Mi 11X did finish the test fast a little bit, just little bit, friends, just little bit faster than the other OnePlus 8T device. So this is the overall comparison, friends, in terms of the KineMaster, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more details about in this kind of comparison. So very soon, as I said, I'll be getting the OnePlus 9R as well. I'll try to compare even with the OnePlus 9R very soon. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye. And don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.